Efficient tying of knots, bends and hitches are the foundation of all rigging, including climbing, caving, canyoning, and of course rescue. So these three things, knots, bends and hitches, need to be well practiced and tied automatically. There are many suitable ways to tie knots, bends and hitches. While you may not tie them exactly the same way I do, ask yourself, can I tie them correctly first time without hesitation and need for major adjustment? Now let's look at some definitions so we're on the same page for the rest of the course. Firstly, a knot. So one at the top here is a knot. The default definition is if it's not a bend or a hitch, then it's a knot. However, specifically a knot is self-sustaining, as it does not need an object or an end of rope to remain intact. For example, this figure 8 on a bite. Secondly, in the middle here, a bend. The saying I use is a bend needs ends. A bend is where two ropes, cord or webbing are tied together, usually at their ends, both playing an integral part. Also, the load is pulling in line through here, through the bend. For example, a double fisherman's bend. Thirdly, a hitch. The saying I use for this one is a hitch needs to hitch a ride. A hitch is a rope or cord tied to an object. If you remove the object, the hitch falls apart. So let's try it for this prusik hitch here. Let's remove the object. The object in this case is a rope, so if we remove the object, it's going to be quite obvious, isn't it, that I remove the object and now the hitch falls apart. So it's often called a prusik knot, but by definition it's actually a hitch because it's hitching a ride on the rope. That's it for this video. In the next one we'll look at quality checks. Hey, thanks for watching. Check out the description where I have linked lots of resources related to the content you've just viewed. If you've got some value from the content, please hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. There are some other great videos on the channel, so check these out as well, and catch you next time.